Imagine looking up and seeing a second moon in the sky. It's rusted red, glowing faintly, and it's getting bigger every hour. This is Mars, and it has been nudged out of its orbit. At first, it's a beautiful sight, but beauty quickly turns into a nightmare. As Mars crosses the Roche limit, the point where tidal forces become overwhelming, our planet begins to scream. You won't feel the impact yet, but you'll feel the gravity. The moon is pulled toward us, then shattered. Massive tsunamis, miles high, swallow coastlines as the oceans are dragged toward the approaching red giant. Mars doesn't just hit us. It pushes through our atmosphere first. The friction is so intense that the sky doesn't just turn red, it catches fire. The air temperature spikes to thousands of degrees, forests ignite instantly, and the very oxygen we breathe becomes a searing plasma. Earth's crust begins to crack like an eggshell. Supervolcanoes that have been dormant for millions of years erupt simultaneously. There is no place to hide. The gravity of two worlds is now fighting over you, and for a brief moment, you might even feel weightless before the final darkness. Then, the collision. Mars hits Earth at 20 kilometers per second. This isn't like a car crash. It's more like two drops of liquid merging at high speed. The kinetic energy released is equivalent to trillions of nuclear bombs detonating at the same millisecond. The impact sends shock waves through the mantle, causing the opposite side of the Earth to literally explode outward. Mars's iron core sinks into Earth's, merging to create a new, much denser and hotter planetary center. The Earth's surface is no longer rock. It is a global ocean of bubbling, white-hot magma. In the hours following the crash, a significant portion of both planets is blasted into orbit. Millions of tons of vaporized rock and debris circle the remains of our world. Over the next few thousand years, these fragments will flatten out into a magnificent ring system, much like Saturn's. Eventually, gravity will pull these rings together to form a new, massive moon, much larger than the one we have today. But there will be no one left to see it. Earth is now a glowing lava world, and it will take millions of years to cool down enough for water to even think about returning. This sounds like the end of the world, and for us it is. But for the universe, it's just business as usual. In fact, our own moon was likely born from a similar collision 4.5 billion years ago. The universe destroys to create. We are just lucky enough to live in the quiet moments between the crashes.